Well, everyone, this is Deja Vu for you. I just posted a video showing a nice sunny day. Now it's starting to become cloudy. Well, a lot of people have asked me about my largest teas in my collection, and I'll show you a couple of them. One of them that recently molted, Gretel. So, anyway, this is the very first tea that's almost 8 inches. This is my Poecilotheria regalis, Indian ornamental, Zelda. As you know, she was a mother last year. I bred her and she got around 35 babies. Half of them went to Code Dark 2. Awesome colors of the P. regalis. And then there's Pandora, who is about 7.5 inches, a little bit smaller, but she's also a lot younger than Zelda, because I did get her as a full-grown adult female, whereas Pandora is a 2-inch. And then here's Jezebel, who is my 7+ inch Pekin Cerrites, Haitian brown bird eater. And then there's this one here, 7.5 inch Somopolys Cambridgei, Trinidad Chevron. And there's the, again, Monster Gramisola pulchra, Brazilian black. And then there's this huge girl that recently molted, Sericopalma rubronitans, the Panama red rump. But anyway, that's not the meat and potatoes of this video. So, if you saw the P-Rufilata molt video, yes, I have another molt to share with you, and that won't be on Monday or Tuesday's feeding video because she just molted. Fresh. So, Gretel, my Theraphosa stirmi, which is the Burgundy Goliath bird eater. It's not the true tea blondie. Just molted. And what kind of worried me, because last night at around 12 o'clock, midnight, she kind of molted on her side, and it kind of freaked me out a bit to see why that was happening. So I didn't disturb her or anything. And as luck would have it, she molted. Alright, so let me get my paintbrush. I'm not going to touch her too much since her skin's soft. Well, a lot of people ask me how to tell tea blondie apart from tea stirmi. This is a tea stirmi. Well, basically, these are the patellas right here. Basically your knees. If you see hair on the knees, then you know definitely you have the true tea blondie. And if you don't, like this one here, then you got yourself a nice tea stirmi. A lot of pet stores will import the Theraphosa stirmi and then mistakenly mark it for the true tea blondie. Alright, so let's get that molt out of there. Oh my gosh, he's huge. Oh my god. Let's touch her a little bit. Yeah, she's full grown right now. Around, I would say, a good 9-10 inches. You can see why they call it the Burgundy Goliath bird eater. Because of the burgundy hairs all over the abdomen. And they have like sort of like pinkish knees, especially as it slings, where you'll see that the 4 front legs are pink, and then they'll start to dissipate when it reaches around the juvenile stage. Alright. Yeah, so she was a wild-caught female. I bought her, I think, 6 years ago, and she's doing very well. Okay, so let's show you that molt. Yet another tutorial on how to sex tease. And this one is going to be really, really easy because it's a huge specimen. Okay. So this is the molts, frequently called exuvium. It's the more technical term that you should use. Okay, so you open up the admin area, and this works for any tarantula, not Theraphosa stirmi, T. blondi, H. lividum. Works for any female T. They have it at some form or another. You basically look for that flap. I'm not sure if you can actually see that. Let me just bring on the house lights and show you right here. So you can probably see that flap right here. So that indicates that is a female. All female tarantulas will have this. So if I were to put my hand in front of it, actually, maybe I'll just handle her. Yeah, she covers my hand. Alright, so also I'll give you a measurement of her to see how big she was. So let me just stretch her legs out. Normally, what I like to do for measuring tees is always by their diagonal leg span. I don't usually measure by their body length, because it's not a very, very common measurement, at least here in North America. I know you guys do it in Europe, but my gosh, she's huge. Look at that. Okay, so let me go get a ruler. So I did find a 20 centimeter ruler, or 8 inches. Huh. Actually, she is a little bit smaller than what I anticipated. Okay, diagonally, she is about looks to be about 8 inches. So probably 8.5, 9. Keep mistaking her for at least 10, but I remember Hans. You remember Hans? That big mature male I used to have, who unfortunately passed away due to old age. He was a big, big mature male. Yeah. Towers over her. So everyone, there we go. That is the biggest tarantula that I have. Theraphosa stirmi Burgundy Goliath bird eater. Kind of looks like the real thing. Wow. And then the molt, that specimen, the true Gretel, is over here. Nice dark chocolate brown is the color, and then as they reach in pre-molt, they're going to start to look like lighter brown color. Awesome. Now, I do hope to one day get a real true blondie and the Theraphosa apophysis, which are the two ones that I don't have. Alright everyone, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll charge up for that battery and then do that Mythbuster video, and then some more Silent Hill 3 videos. I got another one coming up very soon.